Hey guys, we're on 712 today, commission on page 196. Here are all your objectives. I'm not going to read those to you, but I would like you to copy them down in your notes. Here are the three definitions I want you to have in your notes as well. We have commission, commission rate, commission rate, and total sales. So commission is something that some of you will experience in your lives and some of you won't. So commission is like when a car salesman sells a car, they make a percentage of money from the total sales of that car. So like if they have a 7% commission rate, then they make 7% of whatever the amount is. Or certain people, like I know people that work at Lucky or that work at the Buckle in the mall, all of those sales girls make a commission. So the more money that they sell, or the more things they sell, the more money that they make on their paycheck. Okay? Total sales is just what we've been talking about, whatever total sales with tax and with the cost of that item, but we won't worry about total sales. It'll be a little bit easier on this one. All right, here are your three different equations to note in this particular section. In order to get commission, you take your commission rate times your total sales. Commission rate equals commission over total sales. Then for total sales equals your commission over the commission rate. Okay. On this one, let's C equal the amount of commission. That's what we're trying to find here. So if a salesperson sells a smartboard for $1,500 and his commission rate is 7%, how much commission does he take home or does he earn? So how much money is he going to earn from selling that $1,500 smartboard? So again, as in the past couple sections, you can either do an equation or do the proportion. The proportion looks like this. Commission over total sales equals commission rate, which is percent out of 100. You can use that proportion for every single one of these today. So whatever you want to do. Okay, so we're going to start with the equation. So 7% times 1,500, which is 0.07 times 1,500, which is going to equal, do that math, which equals $105. So he is going to take home on his paycheck $105 in commission. Okay? Alrighty, now if you want to do the proportion route, you put your commission, which is the amount of commission, over the total sales, which is 1,500, equals your percent, which is 7 out of 100. We're going to cross multiply here. 100C equals, which equals 10,500. Now let's divide by 100. And your amount of commission is again 105. Again, labels are very important here. If you're looking for the commission rate, you want to add a percent, and everything else is going to be with a dollar sign in front of it. Okay, there's your proportion again. All right, Nellie was working at the Cardinal store and made $175 in commission. Her total sales were $1,100, so I'm trying to look for what her commission rate is. So I just did this one for you. So for this one, you're going to do the amount of commission over your total sales, divide that. You would have gotten 0.16, so of course, you're doing the equation, you can move that decimal point over 2 times to the right to get 16%. And now I know it's about like 0.159, so I just rounded to about 16%. All right? You're more than welcome to use the proportion method, which is 175 out of 1,100, which then equals R over 100. Cross multiply, you would get the same answer. You just don't have to move that decimal point. So again, on your test and on homework, make sure to follow the directions. If it asks you to use whichever method, use that one. But when it comes down to the test or when it says use whichever one you'd like, it doesn't really matter which one. It's whatever one you're more comfortable with. Okay, so this one we're going to find the total sales when you know commission and commission rate. So right here, my commission rate is going to be 9%. And the amount of commission I had was 20%. Okay, so this is how we're going to set this bad boy up. Let's do TS for total sales. Okay, that is going to equal your amount of commission okay, which is $20 over your percent or your commission rate. So that's over 9%. Okay, so that's obviously going to equal 20 over 0.09. We divide that. Let's do that real fast. That is going to be 222.22222. So we're going to round that bad boy to about $222. Okay? All right, let's do the proportion method. So we're going to do amount of commission, which is going to be 20 over total sales, which is what we don't know, equals 9 out of 100. Okay? So we're going to cross multiply here and here. We're going to get 9x equals, it's going to be 2,000. We're going to divide by 9, and x is going to equal about $2,200, about $222. Okay? Make sure to add those zeros at the end too. Okay? Okay, either way works. It's whatever you prefer. Alrighty, 6% commission on $25,000. So that would be like for a very large electronic, or for a car, or for a home improvement, something like that. Okay? So let's do this. So we know our commission rate, and we know our total sales. So I'm looking for how much money am I going to make if I work on 6% commission. Okay? So let's do this. Let's set it up like this. So we don't know our total commission. So we'll put that over my total sales, which is $25,000, equals your commission rate of 6 out of 100. Okay? Alrighty, so again, we're going to cross multiply, get 100x. There, right there. 25,000 times 6. Get my computer to work here. So it looks like 6 times 25,000 is going to be 150,000. Okay. Let's divide by 100. Divide by 100. So it looks like x is going to equal 1,500. So if I sold something for $25,000 and I had a commission rate 6%, I would take home $1,500. That's pretty cool. Okay. So next one is I earned $4,936 on a $36,000 sale. So what is my commission rate, right? I'm looking for my percent and commission. So I earned $4,936 out of 36,000. We're looking for our percent, so x out of 100. Okay, let's cross multiply here. So that's going to be 4936 with some zeros on there. Okay, equals 3,600 or 1,000. All right, we're going to divide by 36,000. Okay, so that math is going to give us x is going to be about 13.7. So we're just going to round up to about 14%. Okay, so if I make $4,936 out of the 36,000 in sales, my commission rate is about 14%. Okay? All right. I earned $720.76 with a 3.7 commission rate. Okay? So, I know my commission rate. So let's set that up as looking for my total sales here. So let's do 720. What was my commission amount? Looking for my total sales. So X equals 3.7 out of 100. Okay. So that is going to be multiplied into 720, 76 equals 3.7. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, so now I have 72,076 equals 3.7x. Let's divide by 3.7. So my total sales would be, or TS, would be 19,480. Okay, so that's it for that bad boy. Put a little $sign there. Okay, alrighty, I want you to do these three on your own. Okay, so for number 1, 6.2 commission on 48,200 in sales. I am looking for what did I earn in commission there. So what was my dollar amount in commission? Number 2 is $1,755 earned on $92,000 in sales. So what was my percent of commission there? For number 3 is $3,480 earned with 10% commission rate. So I'm looking for my total sales there. Okay? So solve, use your textbook, use your notes, use the video, and I will see you next time in class. Bye, guys.